Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Vocab Ghar. Let's start daily use English sentences with Urdu translation. बात यह है कि मैं वहां नहीं जाना चाहता. The thing is that I don't want to go there. The thing is that I don't want to go there. अगर ये चलता रहा तो हम क्या खाएंगे? If this goes on, what we will eat? If this goes on, what we will eat? वो शराब के आदी हैं. They are addicted to alcohol. They are addicted to alcohol. उसे पूछने का कोई हक नहीं. He has no right to ask. He has no right to ask. उन्हें मुझ पर तशद्दुद करने का कोई हक नहीं था. They had no right to torture me. They had no right to torture me. टॉर्चर के मानी है तशद्दुद. हम यकीनी तौर पर जीतेंगे. We will win for sure. We will win for sure. मुझे लगता है कि आप अपनी जिंदगी से तंग आ चुके हैं. I think you are fed up with your life. I think you are fed up with your life. इस पर तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं है. You have no right on this. You have no right on this. इस चीज पर तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं था. You had no right on that thing. You had no right on that thing. तुम जाओ न जाओ मैं जाऊंगा. Whether you go or not, I will. Whether you go or not, I will. मेरे इनकार के बावजूद तुमने ये काम किया. Despite my refusal, you did this. Despite my refusal, you did this. मेरे इनकार के बावजूद तुम वहां क्यों जा रहे हो? Despite my refusal, why are you going there? Despite my refusal, why are you going there? यहाँ पार्किंग सख्ती से मना है. Parking is strictly prohibited here. Parking is strictly prohibited here. वो शादीशुदा है और उसके 2 बच्चे हैं. She is married and what's more she has 2 kids. She is married and what's more she has 2 kids. मैंने उसकी मदद की और उसके अलावा मैंने उसे पैसे भी दिए. I helped him. And what's more, I gave him money also. I helped him, and what's more, I gave him money also. आपको अंग्रेजी सीखनी चाहिए और इसके अलावा आपको मश्क भी करनी चाहिए. You should learn English and what's more, you should practice also. You should learn English and what's more, you should practice also. आपने पैसे कैसे खोए? How come you lost money? How come you lost money? मान लें कि आपके पास पैसे नहीं थे. Let's say that you did not have money. Let's say that you did not have money. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कुछ नहीं जानता. मैं सब कुछ जानता हूँ. It's not that I don't know anything. I know everything. It's not that I don't know anything. I know everything. हकीकत में वो शादीशुदा है. As a matter of fact, he is married. As a matter of fact, he is married. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.